Yo, what up? This is gonna be my first YouTube video, and it's gonna be a transformation cut. It's gonna be a taper and basically taking everything off. So here I am removing everything, getting rid of all the bulk, all the curls, and going against the grain, with the grain, every possible way, just taking off everything I can. And right here we got a celebrity up in the shop, Maxobe. I'll put his YouTube channel in the description. But I'm combing everything down, just making sure everything, all the hairs, the loose hairs are gone and stuff like that. So here's my guideline, making my first guideline. Just making it in a rainbow shape, and yeah, just removing all the bulk and going against the grain, going up, trying to soften up that first guideline that I just made. Yeah, balding out. So here I am with the lever open. I'm going up about 1 inch, and using my wall. I don't even know what they're called. They're just silver clippers. Dusting my client. Be sure to always dust. Very important. Makes them feel good inside. But here I am with the clippers closed, and kind of going in like a C motion. If you want to say like flick out motion, just to remove that guideline I just made. And here I am with the one guard open. As you can see, I'm concentrating. Going up about 1 inch, and in a C moving motion. Dust off, remember that. Here I am going over it again, just making sure everything's perfect. Here I am with the two guard closed, and going up about 1 inch. And here I am with the 1.5 guard closed, and I'm going in a flick out motion, or if you want to C motion, whatever term you want to use. And I'm removing that line between the 2 and the 1. So here I am with the one guard. I have it halfway, the lever halfway, using my corners and then in a flick out motion, not trying to dig too deep into the lines that I already created, just trying to get rid of them. But remember, use your corners, and if you want to go up, open up your lever. If you go down, close your lever, just so you don't cause anything. So here I am doing detail work with the 0 guard. Like I said, it's halfway right now, but once you go up, put the lever down, and once you go down, put the lever closed. So here I am with the one guard, just doing detail work, trying to get that line out, and the flick out motion, using my corners mainly. Please use your corners. It really does help. And using your corners, it causes you from not making another guideline. So here I am again with the better angle, and using my corners, flick out motion, getting in there, and yeah, just going over everything, making sure everything's clean. Here I am again, same thing, just flicking out, trying to get that line out. Try to get that line out. Don't move on without trying to get a line out, because it just causes you to have to go back, and you don't want that. So keep flicking out, don't rush, take your time, and yeah, just follow that routine. Here I am doing the lining up the back. I like to do this so like everything just comes together. Like you go from the back all the way to the front, and everything just comes together. And so here I am taking the neck hairs off and just lining everything up. Doing the same thing on this side, taking all that hair on the ears off, and just lining everything up, taking the neck hairs off, making sure I don't cut him, and yeah. So here I am doing detail work. You always want to do detail work. Just any dark spots you see, just be sure to do some detail work. So here I am using my liners, my slim line. I think they're called slim lines, I don't even know. But here I am making like a small little rainbow shape with my guideline, and yeah, just blotting out, softening up that line that I just created. You don't want to make a harsh guideline because it's hard for the line to come out. So here I am with the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about like maybe half an inch, and the keeping it in the same rainbow shape that I created with the first guideline, in a flick out motion. So I'm doing the same thing here, following the rainbow shape and just flicking out. So now I have the lever closed, and I'm taking that guideline that I just took out, and I'm doing it in a flick out motion and just using my corners. So now I have the one guard open, and I am going up about, I would say, maybe half an inch. You don't want to go too high since it's not really a high taper. Probably about a medium, I would say medium, between low and high taper. And yeah, I'm doing the same thing, following the rainbow shape. The lever's open. Now I have it closed, and I'm doing it in a flick out motion, fading downwards, making sure I'm taking that line out. So here I have the two guard closed. I have the two guard closed, and taking that, I'm going up about, I'd say about about an inch, and yeah. So here I am with the 1.5 guard closed, and I'm fading downward, taking that line that I just created between the 1 and the 2. So here I have, not the best angle, but here I have my gold FX trimmers, and I'm making that C cup. Be sure to dust them off too. Taking off that neck hairs, be sure you get all the hairs off. And here's my client hitting the vape. I'll let y'all watch that for yourselves. He takes it pretty good. He's chilling, man. He's chilling. Trying to get him through it, you know. He's cool. Alright, so basically I do the same thing on this side. I don't really have to explain it, you know, but right, just doing the same thing like I did on the other side. So I'm dusting them off, you know, everything's lined up in the back. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and line him up around the ears, because it'll all come together and it'll look dope after. So be sure not to cut them, because your client will be pretty pissed if that happens. So be sure to be patient, but also be focused. As you can tell, I'm pretty freaking focused right now. So yeah, just let it all come together, and by you doing that, it just makes the taper come out even dope. And yeah, just be patient with it. So here I am using my corners, doing detail work. It's always good to do detail work. I have OCD, so if I see one little thing, I have to fix it. So I'm not gonna leave it all messy up on here on top. I'm gonna make it all straight down. So here I'm taking my 8 guard closed, going against the grain, with the grain, in all types of directions, and I am just taking all that hair on the side off and just making everything just nice and neat. so he doesn't look all crazy. But like I said, go against the grain and with the grain. So for the lineup, I'm gonna put hairspray on his bangs and just make so everything can go down, so I can make his lineup super crisp and natural. And yeah, be sure to brush down too, and make everything nice and neat. Comb it down, brush it down, whatever you have to do. So here I am using my gold effects and ironing them up, trying to keep it natural. I'm sorry I'm distracted, you know, we don't really get too many celebrities in the shop, so I was honored to talk to a Graminated YouTuber. But yeah, here I am lining them up, going over and over with it, just making sure everything's nice and neat. And yeah, I'm trying to get that curl on the side too, so I know y'all see that curl on the side too, but I'm gonna get that here in a minute. But here I am doing the other side, just lining them up super crisp, you know, just making everything nice and neat. And here I am taking that one little curl that y'all see. Yeah, man. So I'm going over it again. I have OCD, like I said, just making sure everything's nice and perfect, and be sure to dust them off because my man likes to get dusted. So here's the before. It was a nice transformation. I didn't really take a video after, but this is the taper. He liked it a lot, and it was pretty cool to do something like this for my first YouTube video. So I'm gonna bring y'all more content soon. Just please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one, man.